my dear students, welcome to this video tutorial. Okay, today we are going to read about how to find complement of a set. Okay, my dear students, let me remind you something. In our previous classes we read about difference of set, how to find difference of set, and how to solve some problems related to finding difference. I mean, difference of set we have completed. Even how to show the sets in Venn diagram related to difference also we read already in our previous classes. But today we are going to read how to find complement of a set. But before that, complement of a set, my dear students, you up to class 7 you read union of set and intersection of set. And then after, difference of set and complement of set. These two items new for you for class 8. That is, difference of set we have completed. So today we are reading complement of a set. But let us define complement of a set first, because it's totally new for you. So before we read what is complement of a set, let us read how to read out. Okay, I have written one set here. A just above A, I have written bar. See, A just above the set A, we have written small bar. So A bar, it represents complement of set A. It means if bar written just above any one set, that means we need to find complement of that very set. Similarly, if bar written just above set B, that means we say B complement. That means you have to do understand we should calculate complement of set B. Similarly, C bar, it means C complement. Similarly, A bar, A complement, B complement, C complement, A union B complement, M intersection N whole complement, and A union B complement, M intersection N complement, X union Y union Z whole complement. We may have some other also, but my dear students, if bar written just above any one set, that means we have to consider, we have to calculate complement of that very set. So it's very easy to read out. A bar means A complement, B complement, C complement, A union B complement, M intersection N complement, X union Y union Z complement. If we have M bar, it means M complement, D bar, T complement, X bar, X complement. Okay, let us define what is complement of a set. Let us define a complement. Okay, one thing, before I do define, if you have understood how to calculate difference of set, you will understand complement of set easily. Okay, here I have written, this can be defined by the state operation by this way. X such that, this symbol represents such that in the topic state. It can be written by another also X such that this type. Okay, X such that X belong to universal set, comma X does not belong to set A. It means all the elements of A complement are supposed by the letter X. They belong to universe set U only, but they do not belong to set A. It is all the elements of A complement, they are the elements of U only, not of set A. It means A complement actually it means elements of universal set U only except the elements of set A. Elements, I repeat, elements of U only. U means this, we write universe set by the letter capital U. Elements of universe set U only except the set elements of set A. That is elements of U only, not of set A. And while defining A difference B in our previous classes, we read while finding A difference B, elements of A only, not of B. As here, elements of U only, not of set A. That is, A complement is actually U difference A. I repeat, A complement, it means elements of U only, not of set A. That means A complement means U difference A. Because elements of U only, not of A. That means U difference A. So actually A complement means U difference A. Similarly, let us take one more example, B complement. B complement, it can be defined by using state operation by this way. All the elements of B complement are supposed by the letter X. And X belong to set universal set. X belongs to universal set, but X does not belong to set B. It means B complement, the elements of B complement, they belong to set U only. They do not belong to set B. It means the elements of B complement are elements of U universal set only, except the elements of set B. That is simply elements of U only, that is elements of U only, not of set B, that is actually U difference B. So, I defined A complement by state operation, B complement by state of using state operation. A complement we have concluded, A complement is actually elements of U only, not of A, that is simply we say U difference A. B complement means elements of U only, not of B, that is simply U difference B. So as A complement is equals to U difference A. This is not universal, this is not universal set. And similarly B complement means U minus B. And you can do say easily C complement means, my dear students, as A complement means U difference A, B complement means U difference B, C complement means 100% U difference C. Universal set minus C. Similarly, M complement it means U difference M. Similarly, X bar, X complement it means U minus X. Similarly, M union M whole complement it is actually U difference M union N. And it means you might have noticed one thing. A complement is actually U difference A, B complement is U difference B, C complement U difference C, M complement U difference M, X complement U difference X, M union N complement U difference M union N. It means you might have noticed one thing. To find complement of any set, we just subtract the given set always from universal set. I repeat, to find complement of any set, we always subtract the given set always from universal set. That is A complement means U difference A. Similar to find B complement, we subtract B set from universal set. Similarly, C complement U minus C. While for M union N complement U difference M union N. Okay, as we know, complement of any set means we always subtract the given set from universal set. That means A complement means U difference A, B complement means U difference B, C complement means U difference C, okay, D complement means U difference the set D. So to find complement of any set, we just subtract the given set always from universal set. And my dear students, let me remind you something. So while subtract, how to subtract, we read already in our previous classes. So U difference A, how to subtract U A from the set U, we did already in our previous classes. So let us make it even more clear by one example. But before I do solve that, we did already how to find difference, we did already how to shade the region represented by the state operation related to difference in Venn diagram. Let me remind you one thing, while shading the set A difference, we shade the set A only, not the set B. We shade A only, not B. It is while shading A complement, we shade universal set, not the set A, except the set A. We shade universal set, except the set B, to shade the region represented by B complement. Similar to shade the region represented by C complement, as we know U difference C, that is we shade universal set, not C. A complement except A, we shade all. B complement except B, we shade all in our Venn diagram. X complement except the shade X, we shade all parts in our Venn diagram. Similarly, while shade M union M complement, we shade all parts except M and N. Okay, let us make it even more clear by one example. If universal set U equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. and A equals to 1, 2, 5. The question is find A complement. Well, let us start from the simplest example. Okay, solution. Here we do have two sets given. Universal set U equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then the set A equals to 1, 2, 5. Now we are calculating A complement, and we have already taught A complement is actually U minus A, U difference A. To find complement of any set, we just subtract the given set from universal. A complement is actually U difference A. So U minus A. And how to subtract we did already in our previous classes. U 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minus 100 over here A 1, 2, 5. Then while subtracting or while finding difference, I have already told you the simplest idea in our previous classes. Don't write the common elements, write the remaining elements of first set only. 1 common element, don't write 1 common element. 2 again another common element. 5 another common element. 1, 2, 5 cannot be written. The remaining elements in the first set are 3 and 4 are remaining. It is 3 and 4. Then I gave one simple idea also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minus 1, 2, 5. This can be done in rough only. 1 cancel, 2 cancel, 5 cancel, and in the first set 3 and 4 are remaining. But one request, this you can call the elements by writing in rough only. In solution, please don't call the elements. Therefore, A complement equals to 3 and 4. This is the required answer. So my dear students, I solved the simplest question, simplest problem. If you have understood the concept of finding difference, you can easily find complement of that ratio also. Because only one more thing is to know. If you have understood difference, we just subtract the given set from universal set. So I solved very simple example. I am solving one more problem. I will show in Venn diagram also. Okay, one more example. So in the first example, I solved A complement. I calculated A complement. You can easily calculate B complement, C complement, M complement, X complement, Y complement, like that. Please try that by yourself. Next example, let us consider if U equals to again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now let us consider X equals to 1, 2, 3, and Y equals to 3, 4, 5. Then let us make the question. Then find X union Y complement and represent in a Venn diagram. Okay, solution starts. Here so we do have two parts. The first part is we should find X union Y complement, and the second part we have to show the same set operation in Venn diagram. And in our previous classes I told you already, while showing the given set operation in Venn diagram, we must have to say the reason represented by the given set operation. So let us complete the first part first. We have here we have universal set U equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. X equals to 1, 2, 3. Y equals to 3, 4, 5. Let us complete the first. Let us find X union Y complement. As we know, A complement means U difference A. B complement means U difference B, C complement means U difference C. Similarly, X union Y complement means U difference X union Y. This is not union, this is universe set. U minus X union Y. So let us find X union Y first. As we know, X union Y complement is equals to U difference X union Y. So let us find X union Y first. Let us find X union Y. X 1, 2, 3. Union Y 3, 4, 5. Then how to find union of sets? You read already in class 6 and 7 as well. While by union we write all the elements without repeating in the same set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This we got X union Y. But we are finding X union Y complement. So let us find X union Y complement again. We should calculate X union Y complement. How do we get X union Y complement? U universe set minus X union Y. Write X union Y because this is the same set inside the bracket. Okay, elements of U. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 minus X union Y we have just calculated. X union Y, here we have X union Y 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I write this level over there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we need to find difference. Well, find a difference. Okay, 1, 1 common done right. 1, 1 common done right. 2, 2 common done right. 3, 3 common done right. 4, 4 common done right. 5, 5 common done right. Only 6 and 7 are remaining. So 6 and 7. The first part complement. But we have again the second one. We should represent the set in Venn diagram. Representing in a Venn diagram. Okay. Except universe set, we do have 2 more. So we do 2 circles for one for X and one for Y. But don't forget to check what type of sets are X and Y. As 3 common element, X and Y are overlapping sets. And I have already told in our previous class, if the sets are overlapping, we draw diagram by one type. If the sets are different, we draw the diagram by another way. If there may be the case of subset, again we have another idea to draw the Venn diagram. So as 3 and 3 are the common elements, if 3 is the common element from the set X and Y, X and Y are overlapping, so we draw this type of Venn diagram. This is for X, for Y. And I have already told you, do always start writing from this part. This is the common part of X and Y. Here we have the common element of X and Y. X and 3 is the common element, so do write here 3. And 1, 2 remaining. Here 1, here 2, here 4, here 5. Okay, elements of X 1, 2, 3, yes, 1, 2, 3 inside X. Elements of Y 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5. But one thing is remaining, my students. We have universe set also. We must have the remaining elements of universe set outside the circles, inside the rectangle. Okay, 1 already returned, 2 already returned, 3 already returned, 4 already returned, 5 already returned. We have 2 elements remaining, 6 and 7. So return outside the circles, inside the rectangle, anywhere can be returned. Okay, I have 6 and 7. But one more thing, we are representing X union Y complement in Venn diagram. So we must have to say the reason represented by X union Y complement. Okay, as we know, X union Y complement is U difference X union Y. A complement means U difference A. And I hope you have not forgotten how to shade difference. Okay, U difference A means we accept A, we shade all parts. We said universe set accept the set A. Means while shading complement, accept that they said we shade all. X union Y complement is it actually accept the elements of X and Y. Accept the elements of X and Y. So while saying the set X and Y complement, we said all parts of universe set except X and Y. X union Y means all parts of X and Y. So if we have to say A complement means actually U difference A. And except A we said all. A means this except A we said universal set. Similarly here we have X union Y complement. Except X union Y we said all parts. X union Y means all parts of X and Y. So X means this much. Y means this much. Y also cannot be shaded, X also cannot be shaded. X all and Y all cannot be shaded. It means we shade outside. We said X except X and Y, it is said by another idea. Will be clear on the board. We have one idea also because mathematics. So we have calculated X and Y complement. We got 6 and 7. And do check them in the Venn diagram. In the student part, there must be 6 and 7. This idea to check the answer. So my students, today we read how to find complement of set. We define what's complement of set. Then after we read 2 examples. First we read how to find just A complement. Then after we saw this example here, we can X and Y complement. But by this way you can find A complement and you can represent in Venn diagram. C complement you can represent in Venn diagram. And my students, please. By looking this video, please try to do some questions related to this remaining in our next class. And my students, don't forget to like and subscribe to TV. Thank you.